In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Airbnb promo code in 2024. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue, especially if you use more than one profile or previously signed in on a shared device. This helps ensure that any coupon or promotional credit gets added to the right account. Once you're signed in, go to your account settings from the profile menu. Depending on whether you're using the Airbnb app or the website, the layout may look a little different, but the option is usually easy to find through your profile icon. From there, open payments or payments and payouts depending on your device. Airbnb sometimes uses slightly different labels across platforms, so don't worry if the wording isn't exactly the same. You're looking for the section where payment methods, credits, and account payment details are managed. Next, select coupons if that option is available on your account. Keep in mind that not every account will display the same menu options, and coupon availability can vary by region, account type, or promotion eligibility. If you do see the coupon section, go ahead and open it. Now click or tap Add Coupon. This will bring up the field where you can enter your promo code. Type the code exactly as it was provided, paying close attention to any letters, numbers, or capitalization if required. A small typo can prevent the code from working, so it's worth taking an extra second to double check it before submitting. After entering the code, select Redeem Coupon to add it to your account. If the code is valid and eligible, Airbnb should accept it and store it for use on a qualifying booking. Once that's done, search for a stay or experience and proceed to checkout. Choose the listing or experience you want, enter your travel details, and move through the normal booking process until you reach the payment page. Before completing your booking, verify that the coupon or eligible credit is actually applied. This is an important step because some promo codes only work for certain bookings, dates, locations, or minimum purchase amounts. Review the pricing carefully so you can confirm the discount appears before you pay. Finally, complete your reservation using your preferred payment method for any remaining balance. If the coupon doesn't cover the full amount, Airbnb will charge the rest to the payment method you selected. And that's it. That's how to redeem an Airbnb promo code in 2004.